Beautiful flowers. But it's moving a lot. It's moving a lot. It's moving a lot because it's windy. I'll show you around. Hopefully you can see it properly. This is a pot of flowers, and there's another one in that side. There's 3 of them, so see, there's 3 of them.